Hi guys, this is Saurabh Mathur and I welcome you in this video in the series of how to grow your Pinterest profile. So let me do a quick recap of what we have done so far. In the very first video, I'd shown you my results of what I did on my other Pinterest profile, and I gave you a 30,000 feet blueprint of what I did. And then I'd shown you how to create a business profile on Pinterest. And then I told you how to create boards on Pinterest and put some pins on it so that your profile looks good. Now the next step which we are going to do in this video is we are going to need some followers on our profile, because they are the people who are going to click on our pins, the pins which we are going to put, which are related to our offers or to our blog. So now, how do we need to get the followers? There's a certain strategy which you have to follow. Now, the very first thing which you have to do is you need to search for people in your niche. Since my niche is smart gadgets, so what I'm going to do is you need to go in the search option and click on and type smart gadgets. And now on the right hand side where it says all pins, you have to click on it and select people. This will show you all the people in your niche. Over here I can see there are less people but more of the boards and all. So in this case, what we are going to do is we will select one of the boards which has got high number of followers. Let's pick this one for now. Now we need to go in the followers and we need to start following people. The thing is, we need to follow 100 people each and every day, and you're not going to follow them at one go. You need to separate them throughout your day. So let's say you need to follow 30 people in the morning, 30 in the afternoon, and then 40 later in the evening or night. There has been some cases where if you follow more than 100 people in a day on Pinterest, the Pinterest team may block your profile for some time. So to be on the safer side, just split your following throughout the day. So now I'm going to show you how to follow 30 people. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the idea is we need to follow the people uh, who are already successful in that niche, and the people who are following means they are also interested in that particular niche and what they are promoting. So we need to build our follower list that way. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oops, what happened? Just go back. 24, 25, 26, 27. Oops, just press the wrong one again. 26, 27, 28, 29. Oh, see, that's what happens. But you need to keep on doing it. So now what we just did, we followed 30 profiles who are interested in our niche and who are in our niche, and we have to do it each and every day without failing. If you need to build your audience on Pinterest, you have to do follow and unfollow strategy. So I have told you about the follow strategy. So follow 100 profiles every day for 7 days for now. And on seventh day, you need to unfollow people who are not following you. Why you have to do is because your profile should have a balance between followers and unfollowers. You don't want your profile to be like you are following 500 people and only 100 people are following you. So there has to be a balance between the followers and the unfollowers. So that is why we do the follow and unfollow strategy. As we are going to follow 100 people every day, so out of those 100 people, few people are going to check back on your profile. Since we had created a good profile, we had put in boards, we have put in pins on those boards, so they are bound to follow you back. So that is how you need to create and build an engagement with your audience. Now, as I said, you need to follow this strategy until you have a good enough following. Do it religiously, take action, and I'm sure you will be able to build a good following on your profile. So I hope you're following me on this journey so far. If you have any questions regarding anything what we have learned so far, please let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. And if you found some value out of this video, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.